Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between cost accounting and management accounting. Both are important branches of accounting, but they serve different purposes in business organizations. Let's understand each difference one by one in a simple and easy way. Number 1. Cost accounting focuses on finding the cost of a product or service, whereas management accounting helps management in planning, decision-making, and controlling business activities. Number 2. Cost accounting mainly focuses on determining and controlling costs, whereas management accounting focuses on the overall management perspective of the organization. Number 3. Cost accounting uses mainly financial and quantitative information, whereas management accounting uses both financial and non-financial information. Number 4. Cost accounting is historical in nature because it records past costs, whereas management accounting is future-oriented because it helps in forecasting and planning. Number 5. Cost accounting information may be used by auditors, regulators, and management, whereas management accounting is mainly prepared for internal managers. Number 6. Cost accounting may follow certain legal requirements and costing standards, whereas management accounting is not governed by any strict law. Number 7. Cost accounting mainly relates to production and manufacturing activities, whereas management accounting covers all departments and functions of the business. Number 8. Cost accounting mainly uses monetary data, whereas management accounting uses both monetary and non-monetary data. Number 9. Cost accounting provides detailed cost statements and cost analysis, whereas management accounting provides summarized analytical reports for decision-making. Number 10. Cost accounting is prepared according to costing principles and standards, whereas management accounting is prepared according to management needs and requirements. Number 11. Cost accounting reports include cost sheets and cost statements, whereas management accounting reports include budgets, forecasts, and performance reports. Number 12. Cost accounting reports are prepared periodically, such as monthly or yearly, whereas management accounting reports are prepared whenever management requires them. Number 13. Cost accounting mainly emphasizes cost control and cost reduction, whereas management accounting emphasizes planning, control, and performance evaluation. Number 14. Cost accounting generally uses traditional costing techniques, whereas management accounting uses advanced management tools and techniques. Number 15. The ultimate aim of cost accounting is to determine and control costs, whereas the ultimate aim of management accounting is to improve organizational performance and maximize profit. In short, cost accounting tells us what a product costs, whereas management accounting tells management what decisions should be taken using that information. Both cost accounting and management accounting work together to help organizations achieve their goals efficiently and improve business performance. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.